Have you ever opened your desktop and thought, this mess is going to take hours to clean up? Different files, different folders, random folders, screenshots everywhere, and somehow everything is connected, but nothing is organized. What if your computer could actually understand your work and just handle it for you? Welcome back to Nextcope AI, your shortcut to the smartest tool on the market. Today, I'm testing Skywork Desktop, a Windows-native AI assistant designed to think, plan, and execute real work directly on your computer. This isn't just a chatbot. Skywork works inside your desktop environment, reading files, organizing folders, and generating real outputs like documents, slides, websites, and spreadsheets. Let me show you how this actually works in real scenarios. When you open Skywork Desktop, the interface is very task-focused. You can see projects and tasks on the side, different agents for documents, slides, sheets, designs, videos, and model options like Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, Gemini, or Auto Mode. The key idea here is simple. Instead of asking AI to talk, you ask it to do. Let's start with something very simple but incredibly useful. I have a folder full of images. In this example, it's different animals, all mixed together. Normally, sorting this manually would take time. So I ask Skywork to organize the folder into subfolders by animal type and put anything it can't recognize into an uncategorized folder. Skywork scans every image, understands what's inside, and restructures the folder automatically. In seconds, I get a clean, categorized folder structure. Even though I'm using a small sample here, imagine doing this with hundreds of files. Skywork handles it effortlessly. Now that the folder is organized, I build on top of that. I ask Skywork to create a PowerPoint presentation. For each subfolder, it picks images and generates a slide explaining what each animal is, along with basic information. What's important here is that Skywork keeps the original image dimensions, places the visuals correctly, and generates structured content automatically. The result is a complete presentation generated directly from the folder. Next, I take the same organized folder and ask Skywork to generate a docs report. I tell it to pick several animal types and write a report explaining what each one is, including facts and visuals, while keeping the original image sizes. Skywork outputs a clean, structured Word document ready to be edited or shared. This is perfect for reports, research summaries, or internal documentation. Now, here's where it gets really impressive. I give Skywork a folder that contains a written product brief and a few images. And I ask it to build a single SEO landing page following very specific rules. One page only, clear structure, benefits, use cases, pricing teaser, FAQ, and a final TAE. Skywork turns that brief into a complete Heftimal website layout using only the information provided, no invented content. This is extremely useful for quick landing pages, prototypes, or marketing drafts. Skywork isn't just for creative work. It's also very strong with structured data. In this example, I upload a bank statement and receipt screenshots. Skywork creates an Excel file with multiple sheets, transactions, receipts, matched items, unmatched items, and a summary. It even highlights matched transactions in green and links them to the correct receipt. This is the kind of task that normally takes hours. Skywork does it in one go. I can also ask Skywork to extract specific items from documents, for example, extracting all images from docs files and naming them properly. Then, using those extracted images to automatically generate a PowerPoint that explains each document. Everything stays consistent, clean, and usable. Finally, I give Skywork a messy folder and ask it to organize everything without deleting anything. It groups duplicates, renames unclear files, restructures folders, and generates a short report explaining what changed. This is perfect if you're inheriting old project folders or shared drives. What makes Skywork different is that it doesn't just talk about your files. It actually works with them. From organizing folders to creating slides, documents, websites, and spreadsheets, Skywork feels like a real assistant, not just a chatbot. If you work with a lot of files and want to save serious time, this is definitely worth exploring. You'll find a link in the description to try Skywork for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart AI tools. This is Nextcope AI. See you in the next one.